Seville, your Palm Beach real estate guide, brokered by the one and only eXp Realty, and I wanted to talk to you about PITI. I normally call it PD. PTI. And basically it's what encompasses your mortgage payment. Now I've already written it down, as you all can see. I probably need to bring someone to help me, but we did put it in a PDF, a photograph for you all to be able to revert back to later on. And basically we'll go through because you'll be hearing this as you go through the process, what exactly does this term mean? And it's basically an acronym. It stands for principal, borrow, the amount that you borrow. For whatever reason, we decided to put in $269,000. Okay, that's fine. So we're borrowing $269,000, which possibly could come out to that amount. If you're borrowing $269,000 at 20% with a conventional loan, then you're borrowing $269,000. You would have put down 20%, and so that's what brought it to this amount. How much you're borrowing from the bank for your loan. Then you have your interest rate. Your interest rate, which I know of one bank that's doing 3.1%. FHA is about 3.25 today, I believe, and 3.75. It changes daily, so always check with your mortgage lender to know what your interest rate is. Excellent word. Interest rate. Taxes. You got to pay taxes. Taxes to Florida. It'll go on what the past tax the bill was. So whatever they were paid in November, December, January, you got homesteaded. You have some that were investment properties. Investment properties tend to be more expensive than homestead because you can't homestead an investment property. A homestead is only for your principal residence, your primary residence, and occupied, or the one that you're occupying. So you can get some lower tax rates if the previous was the owner, they already had a homesteaded and they lived there for a while. Some interesting taxes you'll see. Some huge houses, and I mean very, very low taxes. Then you have your insurance. You have to pay insurance. The bank wants to know that their collateral, their asset, which is the house in this case, the collateral is secure and it is covered. So you'll have your insurance. Let's go back to this 269. Like I said, my handwriting isn't the best, but this all encompasses your mortgage payment. Your principal, the amount that you are paying for. Just to recap, interest is the amount that you pay on the loan. This is how the bank gets paid. The bank gets paid with these 3.1, 3.25, 3.75, somewhere 5%, 6%. I think if you're paying under 6%, it's a steal. You're paying under 6% for a mortgage, it's a steal. But if you can get it at these historic, can I write this here? Historic, why can't I? It's my board, right? Historic rates, historically low rates, 3.1, 3.25, 3.75, insane. Taxes, gotta pay your taxes. Nothing is promised except for something, and death and taxes. And then you have your insurance. You wanna make sure that it's secure. If something happens to your home, you don't want to be held responsible for the entire payment. And of course, you'll work with your insurance company, your mortgage lender. I hope you all are satisfied. We'll put the PDF in the wherever, I don't know where we're putting it, somewhere around here. Then we got 5, 10, 15% down. If you put less than, let's talk about this one. If you put less than 20% down, it's in the PDF, you will pay mortgage insurance. It varies in prices depending on the lender, but that's if you pay less than 20%. If you are at above 20%, then you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. It's not that much. Who am I to say? You would decide. Go through the home loan review, get pre-approved, it'll tell you. Then you have FHA payments, which we didn't talk about. FHA is 3.5% down. You only have to put 3.5% down up to it's about $64,000, somewhere close to there. As long as it comes below that, you only have to put 3.5% down. Some excellent programs that are both for FHA and conventional loans that will actually pay your down payment. Look at my handwriting. You get it? Down payment. Down payment. Definitely can talk to you about some of those options for you buyers. Possibly have the seller pay some of the closing costs. We'll talk about those couple of options in different videos. That's enough. Please follow me on World Boss Real Estate on Instagram, Michael Seville, your Palm Beach Real Estate Guide, in Facebook. This should go up on the YouTube channel. Please put this on the YouTube channel. Follow, subscribe. I will have more to come. Peace.